Adrian Gonzales trial is starting today out of Texas, and you may be thinking to yourself, I don't care about that trial. I don't even know what it is about, but yes, you do. It's a great day for a great day. My name is Sydney Rushing. I'm a criminal defense attorney in the state of Michigan. Now let's talk about it. Out to the masses, Adrian Gonzales' name may not ring a bell, but what probably does is the Uvalde Elementary School of Robb Elementary pew-pewing back from 2022. And in addition to the 19 children that were unalived during this incident, there were 2 teachers who also were unalived doing what this officer should have been doing in protecting these students. If you recall during this incident that officers responded to the scene from children calling 911 begging for help, but it took them over 77 minutes to enter the building and take out the threat. He is facing 29 counts of abandoning or endangering a child. Now in Texas, these are classified as state jail felonies, which means he can serve anywhere from 6 months to 2 years in prison for a conviction for these charges. And maybe not so lucky for him, he is the first one to face charges under the new statute, which charges officers for delaying or for not taking action in an active shooter situation. Something important to note is that Officer Gonzales was one of the first officers on the scene and why he's taken a lot of heat. Former Uvalde School's police chief, Arredondo, is also facing charges. Now, while this incident did take place in Uvalde, Texas, the judge granted the defense's motion to change venue due to obviously the community there. Like, he probably wouldn't have the most fair trial. So it was moved in. Jury selection is beginning in Corpus Christi. Corpus Christi is about 200 miles away from where this happened. And now this isn't saying that they're going to find people who haven't heard about it or don't know about it, because obviously the entire country knew about it. But they have a better chance at finding a more neutral jury pool. They've called up 450 potential jurors to try and make a jury for this case, because again, that's one problem that they're going to have is somebody that doesn't already have like an emotional connection to this, that's going to sway them in how they make their decisions and stuff like that. But at least now they have plenty of people to search from. Jury selection is expected to take a few days, and then the trial will proceed, and we will be here to cover it along the way, because again, some may have forgotten about this and not even realized that there was an officer that was about to be held accountable for his actions, but we are here, so have no fear. Thank you for being here and thank you for following along. And here's the question of the day. Do you think that this is one of those situations where officers should be held accountable for their actions? Or do you think that this is something whereas they're singling one out of almost 400 officers out and they're not charging all of them? Let me know in the comments.